So today we're going to be making cheesy tuna mini melts. They are really delicious, surprisingly so. So we're going to need 2 cans of tuna, 2 eggs, medium-sized eggs, 2 cups of cheese, salt, black pepper, onion powder, onion flakes rather, and garlic powder. So let's get cracking. So what we're going to do is whisk our 2 eggs until they're nice and fluffy. Combine with the drained tuna. Remember, your tuna should be in olive oil or water, not in sunflower oil. Get that nice and smooth. Mix in your cheese, your grated cheese, 2 cups of that. And then we're going to add in all the other ingredients, salt, pepper, onion flakes and garlic powder. So just keep mixing that until it's a nice consistency that you think you're going to be able to make that into balls, because those basically you're making them into a squished up meatball, okay, kind of a bit like Play-Doh. And then we're going to get those to combine well enough to stay together while they get popped into the air fryer or the oven. So we're going to set our oven to preheat at 190 degrees centigrade. And then we're going to, or the air fryer obviously, and once we have got that mixture nice and combined, we're going to get our hands nice and into the mix and start to make those cupped balls. This mixture makes about six melts, and so if you have 2 melts each, you can have that as lunch with a nice salad or vegetable accompaniment, or if you're a carnivore, you can have it with a couple of eggs or sausages, whatever suits your fancy. So yeah, you'll see the egg and the liquid is still squeezing out of those a little bit. No problem, don't worry about that. You're going to have a little bit of egg that's over. That's just part of the, the way it's going to go. So let's get those 4 on a tray. I'm going to put 4 on a tray here, leave them enough space in my air fryer. And yeah, once we've got those ready, we are going to pop those into the air fryer and give them about 10 minutes on 190, just depending on your oven or your air fryer. And let's see what those are going to look like. Keep an eye on them. What you're wanting is for them to turn golden brown. So if they need a little bit more time, just pop them back in again. The cheese should be all melted and looking lovely and squishy, but actually kind of crispy on the outside. Melted, should I say. Okay, and we can serve that with carnivore eggs and sausages, or as you wish, or with a veg option with sides as you prefer, or a salad. Let's see what they taste like. They're absolutely delicious. I think my main problem is going to be that I didn't make enough. Try them and let us know what you think.